If you ever feel a bit unsteady, tight, or nervous when you first put your skates on, that is completely normal. Almost every adult beginner I teach feels that way, whether it's in my in-person classes or inside my online program. That's why we always begin with a warm-up. It helps your body feel safer, more grounded, and ready to move with confidence. This routine is made for roller skaters, but it works beautifully as a general warm-up too. I've got my skates on today because I find that warming up in the way that I'm about to move actually helps my body settle in faster. But if you're not confident standing in skates just yet, you can do this whole routine off skates and still get the same benefit. And if you're in skates but worried about rolling away, you can try doing this on carpet or a yoga mat to give yourself a little bit of extra grip like I am. So skates act like little weights on your feet, so warming up in them strengthens your ankles and helps with your balance. If you're off skates, ankle weights are a great way to mimic the same feeling as what skates are. So let's jump into this warm-up. Full arm rotations. Rotate your arms overhead into big, smooth circles. Keep your ribs relaxed and your chest open. This wakes up your shoulders and helps you hold stronger posture when you skate. Side stretch to forward fold. Reach up and over, then melt into a forward fold. Slowly roll through your back as you come back up and repeat. This loosens your whole body and gets your ankles ready to support you on your skates. Knee to chest pull. Lift your knee gently and pull towards your chest, switching between sides. This wakes up your hips and turns on your stabilizers so you feel more balanced as you start moving. Standing oblique crunch. Lift one knee at a time and tap the opposite hand or elbow. Keep your core engaged. This builds coordination and helps your body find that steady rhythm you'll use while skating. Side step to mini squat. Step out to the side and drop into a gentle mini squat. Keep your chest lifted. This wakes up your glutes, gets you into your skating stance without overthinking it, and helps you practice getting lower safely for those moments when you might need to catch yourself. Forward lunge to calf stretch. Roll one skate forward into a soft lunge and sink the back toe stop down. Keep your chest tall and your weight centered. Then lift onto the heel wheels for a calf stretch. This wakes up your calves and ankles, so pushing and stopping feels smoother on your skates. Hip circles. Draw slow, steady circles with your hips. Keep your core softly engaged. This loosens your hips and gets you ready for forward skating, balance work, and any kind of edge control. Upper body arm openers. Open your arms wide to a full 180, then return to center. Shoulders relaxed, chest open. Repeat on the other side. Skating skills always start with the upper body, so this sets you up for better balance and control. Deep breaths to forward fold. Take a deep breath in. Reach your arms overhead. Exhale and slowly fold forward, letting your head and arms relax. And take a few slow breaths here. This helps your body settle, releases any leftover tension, and brings your focus in before you start skating. And guys, if you're new to skating and don't know where to start, you can check out my beginner playlist. It covers the foundations so you can build confidence and actually enjoy your skating journey. All right, so that is our warm-up done. I hope that gets your body a little bit more prepared for your practice session. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more roller skating tips, tutorials, and follow along videos. I've got a lot of good stuff coming. So thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.